Hey guys, if you want to lead, then you have to read. This is what the main motto of life. But as far as here is concerned, so we are going to study about physics because this is physics channel and I am Rakesh Arya from Yampi. So for God's sake, here we are going to learn about alternating current. So guys, what to do? You know very well, there are so many things hidden in name. You know your name, my name, and anyone's name. So many things hidden. Therefore, here also hidden in name of the chapter. So that where it is hidden, here hidden and here hidden. So first of all, we have to understand about current. What is current? Now we are going to understand about current. And what is current? If we think about current, we just think about flow. We think about flow of anything, flow of water, flow of milk, flow of oil, anything else. So, current means flow. But here, actually one thing is hidden, that is electric current. Now, we think we are in awkward position. No guys, हम लोग awkward position में नहीं हैं. आप समझे इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. अब इलेक्ट्रिक वर्ड जैसे ही स्ट्राइक करता है तो हम लोगों को दो चीजें एकदम से दिखने लगती हैं. वो दो चीजें क्या है? मेन चीज जो है वो है क्या? चार्ज. Charge. And how many charges? Positive charge and negative charge. So here flow of what? Flow of charge. Understand? There is flow of charge, but which type of charge? So in general, we know very well the domestic supply of our home is an AC. जो क्या है बेटा? AC है. तो उस सप्लाई को करने के लिए what we use? We use wires, metallic wires. In metallic wires, AC used to flow. Okay. So, charge, we know very well about the charge. Electrolytes, positive ions and negative ions. Gases, electrons and positive ions. But in metallic conductor, there is only electron. Why? Why electrons are only there? Because metal is a solid. Metal is a solid, and atom of metal cannot leave their location. It can't change their locations. So, if metal or that atom takes energy from outside, कहीं बाहर से जब उसको एनर्जी मिलती है तो आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट के इलेक्ट्रॉन can get that energy and they exit from atom, and now they are free. अब वो free and they can move, but not so free they are if we put a potential difference across them. Then this potential difference direct them. You have to flow negative to positive. Understand? So, something, so here we can say what is current. So, current is flow rate of charge. Current is flow rate of charge. Understand? Here, now we found the current. हम लोगों ने करंट को प्राप्त कर लिया है. But do you know how many types of current? So there are 3 types of current. First, DC, direct current. Direct current which has constant magnitude and fixed direction. So, constant magnitude और फिक्स डायरेक्शन वाली जो करंट होती है वो कौन सी करंट कहलाती है? डीसी. एंड सोर्स ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ करंट इज ऑलमोस्ट cells, battery and rectifiers. So guys, you have understand and you have learned about DC. Now second is pulse current. Pulse current, it has variable magnitude but direction is fixed. Understand?
Yes.
So guys, we can show it by graph. There is I and there is T. So pulse of current like that. Understand?
Yes, sir.
No change of direction, but the change of magnitude with the time. Now there is third type of current which is called alternating current. Alternating current. It varies in magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction within a fixed time within a fixed time and repeat itself. एसी जो करंट है वो क्या करती है? एसी करंट जो है वो अल्टरनेटिंग करंट है जो एक डायरेक्शन में 0 से मैक्सिमम मैग्नीट्यूड फिर 0 and again it goes to maximum value but in negative direction and again it be 0. It totally varies with the time, but amount of time is fixed. Actually that is known as periodic time, but we will study it after this. Therefore, I O T plus I naught minus I. So this is called alternating current. But guys, this current is actually induced current. This current is induced. And how the current or voltage be induced, that we have learned already in previous chapters. In previous chapter, we have learned all the things. Understand? So, how it happens? कैसे होता है बताओ? तो इसके पीछे एक छोटा सा रीजन होता है कि जब किसी क्लोज कॉइल से एसोसिएटेड फ्लक्स में चेंज होता है। एसोसिएटेड फ्लक्स में क्या होता है? चेंज होता है तो उसमें ईएमएफ इंड्यूस हो जाता है, ड्यू टू दैट अ करंट ऑल्सो इंड्यूस, then that is the induced current. Now here, who is responsible for induced EMF or induced current? Who is? That is flux. That is magnetic flux. If change in flux is periodical, यदि फ्लक्स में चेंज कैसा होगा? पीरियोडिक होगा, then obviously induced EMF में भी चेंज कैसा होगा? पीरियोडिक होगा, और इंड्यूस्ड करंट में भी चेंज पीरियोडिक होगा। और अगर ये पीरियोडिक होगा और रिपीट करेगा इन दी बोथ डायरेक्शन, तो ऑब्वियसली ये हमको अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज यानी ईएमएफ एंड अल्टरनेटिंग करंट प्रोवाइड करेगा। सो गाइस, इफ you want to copy it, then just write it. You have 30 seconds. Okay guys. Again, now we have to discuss about varying flux and when it is possible. We know phi is equal to n b a cos theta. Understand? Yes, that is phi m. Phi m is equal to n b a cos theta. And how can we find it? We can find it by rotating a coil in magnetic field with constant speed omega. So it is so obvious यार, लेफ्ट करो ये कॉइल है, अगर ऐसी रखी है तो इससे पूरा फ्लक्स जाएगा, लेकिन अगर ये ऐसी घूम गई तो कुछ फ्लक्स जाएगा और कुछ बाहर हो जाएगा, और अगर ये ऐसी हो गई तो इससे कोई भी फ्लक्स नहीं जाएगा, और अगर ये ऐसी हो जाती है तब फ्लक्स जाएगा, बट नेगेटिव साइन के साथ। कारण अब यहां फंसते हैं हम लोग, कैसे फंस रहे हैं? इन नेगेटिव साइन। तो फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन कि कॉइल का एरिया वेक्टर, कॉइल का कौन सा वेक्टर? एरिया वेक्टर विच इज obviously perpendicular to the plane of coil. So we don't observe the rotation of plane or rotation of plane of coil. We observe only the rotation of area vector of coil's plane. Understand? This is vector B, BA cos theta. So, at any instant of time, coil is rotating, then what will happen? What will happen? Then the angle between vector A and vector B is theta, then coil flux passing through the coil will be BA cos theta if coil has number of turns is 1. If coil has number of turns is 1, but यदि coil के पास coil के n number of turns हैं तो निश्चित रूप से ये क्या हो जाएगा? NBA cos theta. Reason is that why BA cos theta? Because phi is a scalar quantity and this is called dot product, and dot product always provide us scalar quantity. So if this coil rotate in a fixed time, if this coil rotate and complete a cycle in fixed time and repeating its motion during that fixed time, then what will happen? It's let angular velocity of coil is omega, which is constant. Understand? Then at any instant of time t, angular displacement of area vector A is theta, so omega is equal to theta upon t, then theta is equal to omega t. Understand? So this is what the thing over here. Now we put the value of omega, value of theta in equation first. So phi n will be NBA cos omega t. This is the equation 2. Here, Faraday says what? Faraday ने कहा है कि induced EMF is directly proportional to the time change rate of flux. Who told this? Faraday. So, if induced EMF is E, then according to Faraday, E is equal to minus d phi by dt. Then what to do? We have to put the value of phi in this. So by equation second, E is equal to minus d by dt of NBA cos omega t. Okay. So M can't change during the rotation. B is uniform because pole segments are so close, and area vector Kundli coil cannot change its area during rotation. So NBA is a constant. Therefore, E is equal to minus NBA d by dt of cos omega t or minus NBA. This will be minus, just a moment. I will take all the step over here. D by d omega t of cos omega t and d by dt of omega t. This is function of function. So it will be minus and BA minus sin omega t into omega and dt by dt is 1. So minus into minus is plus and BA, this omega also over here. So omega sin omega t. This is E, equation for induced EMF. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the equation of induced EMF. So for E maximum, हमें E की वैल्यू कैसी चाहिए? मैक्सिमम चाहिए. E हमको मैक्सिमम चाहिए. अब E मैक्सिमम होने के लिए we can't change N, B and A and omega. So there can be changed only sin omega t, sin theta with respect to t, according to t. Then sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, which is max. So E maximum is equal to N B A omega, and it is the maximum value denoted by E naught. Therefore, E is equal to E naught sin omega by equation. Understand?
Yes,
We have to put E naught in place of NBA omega. Are you getting? And this is actually equation of simple harmonic motion. This is the equation of simple harmonic motion, and displacement of E follows the change in sin omega t. Therefore, the EMF, induced EMF, here is sinusoidal. Understand? Induced EMF is over here sinusoidal. Sinusoidal is what? 0 to maximum, maximum to 0, 0 to in negative direction, and again 0. And this is the graph for change in value of sine in a complete cycle. Are you getting this?
yes, sir.
So this equation shows the simple harmonic motion, and it is sinusoidal. Understand? In 11, we have learned about it. And this repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat for every cycle. Okay? So, if resistance of coil is R, then E upon R is equal to E naught upon R sin omega t. That is why it is I, instant value of I naught sin omega t. This is equation for AC, alternating current. V is equal to IR. तो I is equal to, तो ये इंस्टेंटेनियस है, ये मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है. At any instant of t, we can find the instantaneous value of induced EMF, and if we divide this equation by R, then E upon R is equal to E naught upon R sin omega t. So we get instantaneous value of alternating current with maximum value of alternating current sin omega t. It is also sinusoidal. Okay guys, we will study more in next video, and up to that time, bye, take care.